In this video, we will show you how to permanent disable Windows 11 update using the newest Windows Update Blocker programs. Okay, this program is made by sorghum.org and you can download these programs. We put link into description. After that, it's very simple to disable permanent from Windows 11 update. You can just open the folder and run the 64-bit version because Windows 11 is only 64-bit. Then you can double click and this is already disabled by me. If you want to enable, is like this. Then you need to disable permanently for Windows 11 update by select disable updates and then check the protect service settings and click apply now. After you do this, your Windows 11 will never update again. Hope this video helpful for you.